Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, and this is a channel where I share absolutely everything that I know, everything that I've learned over the years, tens of years of experience, and I do lots of different crafts, different things. I draw, I paint, I knit, I do macrame, tapestry, knotting, all sorts of other things like crocheting, and I do videos about it and I share it with you. All my patterns are unique, you can't find in any other channels, so please enjoy and please knit with me. For today we've got this wonderful pattern for a hat. At the moment I'm doing a hat for my mother. She's got a small head, so I need only about 16 centimeters to knit height, and this is I'm doing purely for her, but I thought about doing video for you. These are the needles, size number 5, and it's cotton yarn in gray. I have 79 stitches and 79 loops on my needles, if you want to do exactly like mine. And this is the pattern which replaces the elastic band. As you can see, it's very stretchy, it's very voluminous, it's great at touch, and as you can see, it's fantastic. Pattern is very unique yet very simple to knit, so please feel comfortable and let's knit together. This pattern could be useful for a beginner easily, so please feel welcome and let's do and create beautiful things together with my channel. So the first needle, right needle, we grab the first loop, we do not knit it. The first loop is never ever knitted. So second one is purl stitch. Then we see 2 loops and we grab the yarn from behind through these 2 loops and we make a yarn over. Then again we go inside these 2 loops and we grab the third yarn. So from 2 loops we make 3 loops. So purl stitch, from 2 we create 3. 1, 2, 3. Purl stitch. Through 2 loops we grab the yarn, yarn over, and the third loop, and then we release. Purl stitch, 2 loops, 1 loop, 2 loops, 3 loops, release. Purl stitch. Two loops like so, we grab the yarn, we create a 1 loop, second loop as an open, a yarn over, and then the third loop. Purl stitch, and this is how we knit until the end. At the end there's got to be 1 purl stitch as a symmetry of this hat, so please make sure the last loop it's actually a purl stitch, and then we have a purl stitch at the end. Very last loop we knit as a purl stitch. So 2, make 3, 2, This was our first row, and now we turn the work to the back. So first loop we never ever knit. Second loop is front stitch, then the next loop is purl stitch, 1 purl stitch, and from 2 we knit 1 purl stitch, 1 front stitch, we knit 1 purl stitch, 2 loops we knit as a purl stitch, 1 front stitch, 1 purl stitch, and these 2 loops we knitted together as a purl stitch, 1 front stitch, 1 purl stitch, 2 loops we knit as a purl stitch, 1 front stitch, 1 purl stitch, and 2 loops we knit as a purl stitch, and like so we knit until the end of this row, and then we repeat from beginning the first row. This is the second row, so we need to repeat from the first row. We do then the second row, and then we repeat again until you reach the length you need for a hat. And it's easy. If you see, it's quite easy to do, but it's very effective, it's very beautiful, it's fantastic. You'll get a lot of compliments, so good luck in knitting. This is the almost finished hat. As you can see, I've made the crown. It's quite a small size because my mom doesn't have a big head. She's got a very small head, very delicate. And this is a stitch at the back, and I left the last thread to show you how to hide the yarn. You literally find a needle like so. You can buy them anywhere. They are made of plastic of different colors, and you can buy a pack of them. There are plenty, and they come in different colors, and they are especially made for knitting, for sewing, knitting garments. And what we need to do, what you need to do is put the thread inside this needle, and then you just follow this stitch. So you do like so, you follow the braiding, as you can see, like so. You pick them up like so, and then I make a knot, usually somewhere like here, and I secure it so it does not unravel with lots of wash and wear and care and all sorts of other things. And then we continue following this braid, and we hide this yarn so it's tidy like this, and we cut it with the scissors. And this is the finished hat. Now let's talk about this hat, so that we can fully understand how it turns out and how it looks like. Hello everyone again, and this is the finished hat. It's a very small hat. It is probably size 63, 65. in measurements. I'm not sure what sizes for America or UK, but that's the size I've heard you can say about the hat. That's small. It's a very small hat. It could be suitable for I don't know, children possibly. And my mom has a very small head, and this, she has tried it on and it fits her perfectly. This is the front of the hat, and this is the back. You can see the stitch that I've done here is barely noticeable because I do the stitch with this needle and I stitch it at the front to make sure it's not visible. This is the crown which I've made. It looks perfect. It looks like a perfect circle here, and it's cotton yarn. Because it is cotton yarn, it's breathable, it's good for summertime, it will not keep you warm, it will not keep you cold. It's basically enough to be able to wear something in cooler nights, let's say in on hiking, when you are going on hiking, on holiday, some cold wind spell might be helpful to use this hat for. And I love this pattern. I think it's fantastic. It looks like rows of this pattern is like has rows like so. I love the color. The color is neutral, is unisex. It could be for boys, for ladies, for girls, for anyone. And obviously if you have a bigger head, this hat will also be suitable for you. This pattern will also be suitable for you. You just need slightly bigger length of the hat. For example, in this case it's 16 centimeters tall, but you can knit it 23 centimeters. You can knit it 22, 23 centimeters. For example, for my head I need to knit about 22 centimeters, and it looks perfect every time I knit. 22 centimeters, and it fits me perfectly, especially at the top, because I always use I always have tied hair, and it stays in place and it keeps it inside quite well. I hope you will going to love this pattern as much as I do, enough to make a video. I decided to make a video from the hat I am knitting for my mom, and hopefully you loved it. And this is obviously a new pattern which you didn't see on my channel before, and I hope you love it enough to make a hat like so for you, for your family members, for your friends and family. And please share with you your artworks. I would be really happy to know that you are knitting my patterns. Bear in mind, my patterns are totally unique to my channel. You can't find them anywhere else. My patterns are very simple as well, so you're not going to find difficulty with it. Thank you very much for subscribing, for watching my channel, for watching my videos. Please put likes, leave comments below, and tell me what else would you like for me to do on my channel for you. And see you next time in the next video. And see you soon. Bye.